Okay, this is a pretty good space just to do some explaining about Macau. So we're by the Guan Yin statue, which is to the right, of course. Goddess of fishermen, goddess of mercy, almost like a Mother Mary. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Almost like a Mother Mary figure to me in my Catholic mind. I kind of think of it very similar. And just to give you a little context of what Macau looks like, not everybody has a good idea. Maybe they know mostly the casinos. These three are bridges, bridge, and then there's this bridge here. This bridge is the one right there that's behind the Guan Yin statue. So we're basically here. And this bridge goes like that, so we're watching that bridge from this side. So anyways, just give you a little idea, all this stuff is reclaimed. All of that is reclaimed. None of that was here before. So the original island, there's Gia Hill, so the original island would have been, this gray part I think is a racetrack. That used to be where the land would have been. So the land would have been here, and sometimes when I'm in my videos I talk about the Grand Praia Avenue. It's because this was the avenue, the Grand Praia, so this used to be a beach. So all this stuff was, the original island was here, and then so all this stuff is new, and this is new, and this is new. So and then now they're building newer stuff over here too, and they're also building newer stuff up there as well. So they're continuing to expand the island by building more projects. Anyways, that's kind of an idea of, and we're on the Macau side, so the casinos on the Macau side are basically here and a little bit in here. And you can see it right there. MGM Casino is one of them. And the Wynn is nearby. So so let's just do a little bit of what's around us so you can get an idea. So that over there is called N.A.P.E. So that and the map would have been south of us. So that bridge was one of the three bridges, that is one of the three bridges that goes from the Macau Peninsula to the N.A.P.E. side. And N.A.P.E, let's see if I can, I see some sign way over there with a light on, but I can't read it, which might be a casino, but basically Cotai has casinos. So the Cotai Strip is over there. But before you can see the Cotai Strip, basically you have, there's, up on this hill, there's kind of like some university things that you might not be able to see from here very well, but they're like a right yellow and red. There's a big casino right here, big hotel called the, what's that called? But it's kind of one of the taller buildings that's kind of in the forefront there. And El Tira. So El Tira is there, there's a bar there that sometimes people like to go to. And then in the backside there's a mountain. That mountain, there's like a Buddha up there, there's a Catholic church I saw recently, there's a prison, and I got kind of around there on my bike not too long ago. So anyways, what's behind me, there's some little strip of bars right over there and some restaurants too, a nice park, a lot of office buildings in this area. This is all the reclaimed area part of Macau. Science Center. So okay, and then this is kind of tidal, so it comes in and out. Sometimes people used to say that, like a long time ago, it was hard for people to dock a boat in Macau because of it's so marshy like this. And I guess this kind of makes sense. This is probably what it was always like historically, kind of going in and out like that. Okay, anyways, another little part of Macau for you.